Hi, welcome to UTF, Asia's largest SaaS provider for virtual exhibition. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create a booth in any exhibition. Creation of any booth in any exhibition is as simple as creating a Facebook page. So for that, first of all, what you have to do, you have to come to the reception page, which has been shared to you by your organizer. So once you will come to your reception page, you will see visitor exhibitor login, it is there. So this user ID and credentials, user ID and password, if you don't have, you can just contact your organizer and he will be helping you out with your login credential. So this is just Solar Expo. I'm going to log in as an exhibitor inside this exhibition, and I'm going to show you how to create and how to modify my booth. So I'll just click on exhibitor login, and I have ID with me. So I'm going to punch the password and then we need to hit enter. Once I click on enter, I'm there inside the dashboard. So in this dashboard, the first button is go to lobby. So this will give me a permission to have a glance. How does this lobby looks like? So this is the lobby of this particular exhibition, and these are the booth. If I'm clicking on this booth, it says that you don't have an access to this booth. That means that this booth doesn't belongs to me. If I'm clicking on Lightyear 1, I don't have the access to this booth also. But if I'm clicking on this, I have the access of this booth because this booth belongs to me. So what booth belongs to me, I have the access for that booth only. I can see it out. How does this booth looks like, and what booth I had created, how does this appear for a visitor. So from there I can see it out. Now we are coming to edit booth. So if I want to make any change, or this is the first time I'm coming to create a booth, so first thing we have to do that I have to start editing the booth. I can come and click on edit booth. So here I had to give the booth name. What is the name of my booth? Then I have to give a brief description, and the restriction here is 180 characters only. Then I can select the categories, that what category products I'm selling. So maybe I'm selling solar panel, maybe I'm selling flat roof or metal roof. So what I can do, I can press control if I'm having multiples. If I want that the entry for my booth should be free, I can click on free entry, yes. If I want that, no, if someone is willing to see my booth, they had to pay me a ticket. So whatever amount I can enter inside it. So unless and until the visitor is not paying this amount, they will not be allowed to see your booth. So that again, it depends upon you how you had created your booth, whether it is a free entry or it is a paid entry. Then you can select any of this outlet. So what outlet you're going to select it out, the same outlet will be there inside the lobby for your exhibition, for your booth. Now I'll just come back, and in this after edit booth, this is the logo and about us. So as the name only suggests, it is a logo and about us. So if I click on it, it will give me to update a logo. I can upload any of the logos over here, and I can create the Facebook ID, Twitter ID, LinkedIn, and all. I can give, I had to give my website URL, and then I had to click give my about us. So what company is mine, what product I'm giving, what product I'm selling, what is my history, whatever you want to enter inside, which a user can see, and it should be informative for your users so that you can insert inside. Then you have to hit update. Again, if you want to update it out, again the same thing, you have to come back, and if you had wrongly entered your Facebook ID and it is not working, then you can just select it out, you can remove it, and you can just click on update again. So this will keep on updating your logo and about us. Now here is the booth video. If I'm clicking on this booth video, I can upload any of the video which is my video advertisement. So I can give the YouTube URL also, and if that video is there in my system, I can just click on upload, and I can choose file and I can upload it out. After that, I need to click on update video. So this will update my video advertisement. Now this is the announcement, any number of announcement I can make. So you can just click on this announcement and you can type what kind of announcement you're going to make. So suppose I'm making another one announcement. So here I can give the topic, and then I can give a brief description about it. I can attach any attachment and I can just display it out. So this will display my announcement. The same way I can create any conferences. If you are willing to create any conference, you have to get in touch with your organizer. You can create any number of visiting card which is available for your exhibitor, for your visitor to see. They can download it out. You can, as there only one visitor exhibitor visiting card is there. But here you can create any number of visiting card. You just need to click on add visiting card. It's very simple. You have to give your name, designation, contact number, email address and your photos, and instantly uploading all this information will create your visiting card. So this visiting card will looks like this. Any of your user can download it out, or they can see it and they can get in touch with you. If you want to remove this visiting card, you simply need to click on delete. Then you can come back to the product. So if you are coming to the product, you will be able to see what all already updated products are there. If you want to upload any new product, you just need to click on upload product. After that, you can just give the name. What is the name of your product? You can select what category it is. So it is already selected as business to business. Then you can give the subcategory, what subcategory it is. So it is an LED lamp or solar generator or solar power. Since we are getting all the categories from solar exhibition only, because this exhibition was a solar expo. And if my product, if suppose if I'm making any uh, electric wire, so I can select LED bulb also. I can select LED, I can select solar bank, I can select generator. So it says that you can press control and you can select multiples. Then I had to upload my brochure. I can click my brochure. Here we are having three options. If I want that my brochure user can only see, then I have to highlight it as a view. If I want that no, they had to download it and then only they will be able to see, then I had to select download. And if I want that they can see also and they can download also, so I can click on view and download. It says that here is one limitation, it is there that you have to upload only PDF, because that's a better version. And again, you can upload your product image. So here it says that please upload a high resolution image for better quality, and also please use control to select multiple images. So you can just click on choose file wherever that file is there in your system, so that will get uploaded. Then again, if any video it is there with this particular product, so you can either give the YouTube URL or you can upload the videos directly from your system. And if that product you being an exhibitor and you have an e-commerce and you are selling that product on URL on your e-commerce also, so you can just copy that URL and you can paste that URL over here. If you want to display the price, the product you are uploading, and you want to display the price, so you can enter the price that I am asking for 500. Here you can select the currency, that which currency it should display. So let me select it as a US dollar. So I had selected. So now my user will be able to see that this product is having a price tag of 500 USD. If I don't want to disclose my price, then simply you need to click on contact for price. So that time this value will not be displayed. Yes, of course you have to select your currency, because in which currency you want to deal. So that will be displayed over there that you're looking for a currency in USD, but you had not disclosed any price. So you are asking your visitor to get in touch with you to get the final price of this product. You can give a specification and description about the product. You can add any addresses. You can add any number of addresses where this product is physically available. Then if any blank box is there, that you have to delete it out, and then you have to click on upload. Your product will get uploaded inside the portal, inside your booth. So like this you will come back to this page. Now we are having something called as mark as new arrival. So one exhibitor is permitted only for the 5 product. So you can upload any number of product, but any 5 product you can mark it as a fresh arrival, and this product will be start showing in the fresh arrival. So you can, after selecting this, you can click on mark as new arrival. So this product will be marked as new arrival. Now you can go for the appointment. You can create your own slots, that from which time to which time you are available. So you can just click on date and you can say give the date, and then you can select the time from this time to this time. You can also select on allow multiple visitor. If you are not allowing multiple visitor, then at this slot a single appointment can be placed, and if you are allowing multiple visitor, then the same slots is available for a lot of visitors. You will be having all your slots available over here. Once a visitor books an appointment, you will be able to see that booked appointment over here. Moving next, you can upload any document. You have any flyers, posters or banners. So here in product, we were uploading any posters and banner which was there about that product. Now here I am uploading any documents, which may be the posters, flyers or banners. So that will display inside your document segment. So this is about your company. You can go to the auditorium and you can upload any number of videos over here. Again, if you have a YouTube URL, you give the YouTube URL with a title, or you can just upload a video from your local desk. So this will give you an auditorium. You will be able to display all your videos. Then here it comes for the feedback. If you click on feedback, we are giving you a permission to enter five questions. So you can ask any selected five questions, and the last question will be finalized by us. So we had given this question. If you want to change this question also, you can change in this question also. Then you have to click on submit. So your user will be able to give you feedback on these six questions. That will be coming back to you in your message segment. You will be able to see who has given you what feedback. Now let's go back to the dashboard. Now this part, so your edit booth is complete. In this way you can update your, you can edit your booth. Now you are coming to the analysis. So in your analyze, you can see what is the status of your exhibition, what is the status of your booth. So you can see that in your booth you have 30 dormant visitors. Dormant visitor in the sense these visitors has logged inside you before 12 hours. You can see that how many people had attended your announcement. So you had just made a single announcement. This exhibitor had just made a single announcement, and so I can see that there are no reports are there. That means in on his announcement, unfortunately there was no click. So we can see that he is saying that great offer on all product and contact for details. So this announcement doesn't looks much more appealing. That's why there is not a click. If you are saying that flat 20% discount on selected product, so this attracts the visitors. So like these kinds of announcements you can make, and so that will bring you a visitors. Again, you can see the product analysis. I can see the solar panel. If I'm selecting, I can see that there is a there are the clicks on 10th of the August. If I'm changing the product and I'm selecting MC pair conductor, I can see again there are the clicks on. So I can count the clicks, that how many clicks were there. Then I can see that document analysis, that how many people had seen my document, how many had downloaded, and how many had viewed and downloaded. Generally, the people attack on your product. Now I am coming to the top-up request, which is not in required. If you have a limited number of visitors and your visitor registration is crossing than your limit, then you have to get in touch with your organizer. So if you had bought for the limited number of visitors, please be ready with the top-up. So in this exhibition, the top-up request is not working. That means that everything is coming with the unlimited number of visitors. Now you can come on invite and promote. If you're clicking on invite and promote, we are providing you all the social media, major social media. So you can just click on Facebook and you have to enter your Facebook credential. So after that, you can directly start posting from here only. You can start posting on your Facebook. You can even go for the WhatsApp also, LinkedIn. You can go for the Twitter and email. So all these will be automatically, and you can directly go and post it this on your social media. Now you can come to the messages also. So in this segment, whenever you are receiving any message, you will be having account. So you will be able to, if you are clicking on this message, you will be able to see that how many people had exchanged their visiting card with you, how many people had asked for a quotation, and all these quotations you can reply internally. So once you click on it, you will be, I'm not clicking on this because it's an exhibitor's property, and that will create some problem. That's why I'm just trying to avoid it out. So in your portal, you can click on your message and you will be able to see how many people had exchanged the visiting card with you, how many people had dropped a message for you, how many people had given you the feedback, and how many people had asked for a quotation. And in that quotation for that particular product, you can reply to that quotation, and there will be a communication between you and your buyer about the product, and you can negotiate it out. So this is how your exhibition booth works on. I hope I had cleared all your questions. If you have any concern, any query, please do not hesitate to get in touch with your organizer. Thanks for watching.